Great morning, great afternoon, great evening to all of ka-achievers. Yes, pag ikaw ay nanonood ng ating Achievementality Coaching Sessions, isa ka ng ka-achiever. So, welcome sa ating third episode ng ating Achievementality Coaching Sessions, mga ka-achievers, and hope these videos that we are uploading, hope it's helping you. Sana nakakatulong for additional learning, additional knowledge. Again, this is your Achievement Mindset Coach, Jeff. I'm a certified life coach focusing on helping people to experience an achievement mindset. And we call it Achievementality. And aside from that, in this video, I share my journey, my experience, because I was clinically diagnosed with severe sadness, anxiety, and depression, but I didn't let that findings to define me. So, ito sa mga video na to, this is more on inspiration, instruction, insights, and information on how you can have achievementality in your life, work, and business. Again, when we say achievementality, this is a mindset that you can be the person you would like to be, that you can do the things you would like to do, and that you can have the dreams that you would like to have. So, if you're ready, welcome again sa ating Achievementality Coaching Session Episode 3. And I think we have an interesting topic. I think, no? Hindi pa sure. Pero, it's a very interesting topic and maybe this is for you. Okay? Ikaw ba yung tao na gusto mong makabawi sa buhay, makabawi sa karir mo, makabawi sa negosyo mo, yung marami kang mga naging maling desisyon, katulad ko, marami kang maling nasabi, marami kang maling nagawa, and maraming nawala sa'yo in your journey because you were not able to make the right decisions. If you're that person, this is the episode for you. As our topic for this video is how you can have a comeback from a setback or from setback to comeback. Ano ba yung dapat mong gawin? Okay? But remember this, guys, just like what I always say, life is a continuous journey of struggling to surviving to succeeding. So yung pag-comeback natin sa buhay is not just a one-time event. It's an ongoing journey. Marami ka pang mangyayaring setback. Not because you will apply yung mga mangyayari, yung mga napapanood mo sa video na to, wala ka ng setback na mangyayari. There will always be a setback. But the good news is, there's always an opportunity to come back. Okay? So that's our topic for this video, from setback to comeback. Ano ba yung mga dapat mong alalahanin, ano mga dapat mong gawin kung ikaw ay nagkaroon ng setback para makapag-comeback? There are 3 things that I would like to share to you. Number 1, you need to start with admission. You need to admit na nagkamali ka. You need to admit na meron kang nagawa o hindi nagawa. You cannot blame other people. Don't blame other people with what's happening in your life. Yes, pwedeng galing ka sa broken family. Yes, pwedeng hindi ka nakapag-aral sa mga gusto mong paaralan. Yes, pwedeng wala kang connection. But you can always do something in your life to better your life. Okay? So don't blame anybody else. Don't blame other people sa kung anong meron ka ngayon. Admit that you're wrong. And hindi lang admission verbally, hindi lang siya admission, but it should be an internal realization na nagkamali ka. Kasi without the admission, uulitin natin ang uulitin kung saan tayo nagkamali. So admit that we were wrong. Okay? Nagkamali tayo. I myself, punong-puno ako ng maling desisyon sa life, sa work, and business. I'm not perfect. I'm not better than you. Again, like what I always say, kaya lang ako nagaganito ng video, kaya lang ako isang achievement mindset coach, Jeff. I'm just sharing my experience, but it doesn't mean I'm better than you. Punong-puno rin po ako ng maling desisyon. But the first that you would need to do is to admit that you're wrong and admit saan ka nagkamali. That's the first step. Number 2 is acceptance. Not because you admitted that you're wrong, okay, is wala ng consequence. Yung mga maling desisyon natin sa buhay, mga maling action, mga maling nasabi, there's always be a consequence. Laging may consequence, laging may resulta yung ginawa natin. Lagi yan, pwedeng hindi mo siya maramdaman ngayon, pwedeng maramdaman po in the future, pwedeng hindi lang ikaw ang involved. It can be a consequence na pati ang mga mahal mo sa buhay, pati negosyo mo, pati finances mo, pati opportunities mo is maapektuhan. Okay? Marami akong mga maling desisyon na ang naging consequence noon, marami nang hindi nagtiwala sa akin. Marami nang hindi kumuha sa akin. Marami nang ayaw mag-hire sa akin. But remember this, God is the God of second chances. Okay? But nasa sa Kanya kung kailan niya gagamitin yung second chance na yun. It's not on us. Baka kasi abusuhin natin. God is the God of second chances. It happened to me. Time will come na meron pa rin taong magtitiwala sa'yo amidst your past, amidst the consequences that you are into right now. There will always be a person na pwedeng magtiwala sa'yo pag ready ka na, pag handa ka na. Okay? So admission, acceptance. And hindi doon natatapos. Last but not the least is the action plan. Anong gagawin mo ngayon para makabawi, para makabangon, para maayos mo yung dapat ayusin? Would you apologize ba doon sa mga nasaktan mo? Kailangan bang gumawa ng way para mabayaran yung mga nautangan mo? Kailangan mo bang kausapin yung mga na-offend mo? Kailangan mo bang itama yung mga dapat na itama? Kailangan mo bang mag-decide na ito na yung gagawin mo? What are the things that you need to stop, to start, and continue? Didiscuss natin yan sa ating episode 2, yung ating self-development. So if you really want to have a comeback, baka kasi you are just one admission away, you are just one acceptance away, or you are just one action plan away from your breakthrough or from your comeback. Baka yun na lang ang kulang. 'Di ba? Baka ginawa mo na ang lahat pero hindi ka naman umamin. Baka ginawa mo ang lahat, hindi ka naman pala ready sa consequence. Ginawa mo ang lahat, wala ka naman palang action plan. Anong gagawin mo ngayon? Remember what Einstein said? Paano niya define ang insanity? Insanity is doing the same things but expecting a different result. Pag ikaw pare-parehas ang ginagawa mo, pero parehas na resulta, ibang resulta ang ina-expect mo, that is insanity. If you want to come back, kailangan mong gumawa ng hindi mo pa nagawa before. At wag nang gawin yung mga nagawa before. That's the step. Those are the ways and the steps for you to start a comeback. Again, reminder, you will still experience setback, but there's always an opportunity to come back. Once you learn to admit that you're wrong, to accept the consequence, and to start having an action plan. Sana nakatulong. Sana may napulot po kayo in this short video. This is our Achieve Mentality Coaching Session Episode 3. Again, in our videos, we would like you to experience Achieve Mentality in your life, work, and business. We pray that you will experience a joyful life, excellent work, and fruitful business. Again, this has been Achieve Mentality Coach Jeff. We would like to see you sa mga next video. And if you have topics na gusto mong ma-discuss, if you have questions, you know kung saan platform po ako ma-message or ma-comment, feel free to share yung mga insight na gusto nyo pag-usapan natin. Again, thank you very much. God bless you all and God bless you more.